rad. So we got Travis Tongate and Tongate Sanitation. Sadly, he is selling to Thrush, who's the local guys here in Ottawa. I filmed some of their trucks before. They're really cool company, nice guys over there. I've filmed them before. They have that, I believe I posted a video of their LEU New Way King Cobra, which is actually a really rare truck. Oh boy. Always latch your arm around, very important, so you don't die. I don't want to die. But yeah, so thanks for Travis for letting me come out and get some video of his trucks while he's still got them. I'm gonna come back here one more time, probably next week. Make sure I get a more video and just come fool around with him for the day, because it's fun. This type of stuff is fun, and Travis is a really cool guy. Sadly, like I said, selling, but it's been a good ride here for Tongate. Unfortunately, I'm not healthy. If I was wearing gloves, I might touch it, but not this time. So instead of helper cam, it's Travis Tongate cam, and I'm just hanging on the back as he drives this. I mean, this thing's really cool. Ancient International Little Wayne rear loader. Just overall a very cool truck. It's been incredible kind of seeing what he's preserved with his company over the years. And if you want to buy this truck, it'll be on Facebook Marketplace along with at least one other one coming up pretty soon here. So watch for that. I think he's going to have to pick this one up here in the corral. That one, oh, I might have a couple here. Let's go play garbage man. You do all three of these? Okay. Who has a yard in Ottawa, including a couple of old Mac Elliott Atlantics, which I think all of you know I think are so cool. I was able to get about 5 videos of one today over in Seneca. It's a Wednesday, so WM does town of Seneca unincorporated area today. There you go. That's the truck I filmed earlier.
Huh?
The WM truck I filmed earlier just went by.
Oh, okay.
One of the old Mac.
Headed to the dump.
Yep. Probably done for the day.
Oh, yeah.
Because he was doing Does that dump have recycle station at it?
Yeah, we can drive by it. It's on the other side, though.
Okay.
Drive by.